In this video, we're going to use model blocks to figure out what number is shown. So if we have a problem like this that says what number is shown, so we have, these are hundreds blocks. So there's 100 little tiny blocks in each one of these squares. So we have 3 of these 100 blocks. This is the tens blocks. Each one of these tens has 10 little tiny blocks in them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then these are the ones blocks, and they're by themselves singularly. So if we have to figure out what number is shown, the best way to do that is to look at the hundreds, tens, and ones columns. So these are the hundreds, these are the tens, and these are the ones. So if we were to put all these blocks into the respective, or each column in the correct column, that's what respective means, it would look like this. So we would put the 300s blocks in here. We would put the, how many of the tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would put the 5 tens in the tens, and we will put the ones in the ones. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it becomes kind of simple to figure out how to write this number. And we could always use our little chart to write in the number. So we know that we have 300s. So we can write that in. So here we would put 3. In the tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the tens we could put 5. And how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 ones. So we could put 7 in here. So what number is shown? The number that is shown is 357. And this is a really fun problem to understand how to write blocks, models into numbers. So if you didn't get it right away, just rewind the video and watch it again.